video on exterior angles of polygons. Before you watch this video, I would highly recommend that you watch my video on interior angles of polygons, which explains what a polygon is, what an interior angle is, and how to calculate the size of interior angles. Once you've completed that video, you'll then have all the knowledge you need to make a start on this one. Okay, so let's get started. So what is an exterior angle of a polygon? Well, remember, a polygon is a shape which has at least 3 connected straight sides. So this triangle is a polygon, and I'm going to show you how to find its exterior angles. Let's focus on this right side first. We're going to extend the side by drawing a straight line. So this angle at the corner on the outside of the shape here, this is our first exterior angle. And as you can see, it lies on a straight line with this interior angle of the triangle, which means that these two must add together to make 180 degrees. So if I want to work out the size of my exterior angle, I would just do 180 minus 60, which is 120. So that means the size of this first exterior angle is 120 degrees. Now the number of exterior or interior angles of a polygon is the same as the number of sides. So because we've got a 3-sided shape, it must have 3 exterior angles. So let's try and find the next one. We're going to do that by focusing now on this base side and extending the line by drawing a straight line here. And in the corner on the outside of the shape, we have our next exterior angle. Again, it lies on a straight line with this interior angle, so these two must add up to make 180 degrees. So to work out the size of that exterior angle, I would just need to do 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, which is equal to 100. So this angle here is 100 degrees. Okay, and what about our last one? Well, focusing on this left-hand side now, I'm going to extend the line by drawing a straight line. And then in the corner, on the outside, on that straight line with this interior angle, we've got our third exterior angle. And the size of this would just be 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is 140. So this angle here is 140 degrees. Okay, so what happens if we look at a shape with more sides? Well, here we've got a 5-sided polygon, it's a regular one, and I'll show you where the exterior angles are here as well. So I'm going to start on this side first and extend it by drawing a straight line. Then the angle in the corner outside the polygon is our first exterior angle. And as you can see, it's on a straight line with this interior angle here, so these two would add up to make 180 degrees. Our second exterior angle is created by drawing this straight line here. This is our third one. This is our fourth exterior angle. And this is our fifth exterior angle. I'd like to show you something special about our exterior angles. To do this, I need you to go on a little journey with me. Let's look back at our triangle. Imagine this is a triangular shaped park and you're standing at this corner here facing this direction, and you've been asked to walk around the outside of the park. So to do that, you would need to turn right, and I hope you can see that the amount that you turn is the same as the size of that exterior angle. So you turn through 140 degrees. And then you can keep walking till you get to this corner here. So now you're facing this direction, so you're going to need to turn right again, and the amount that you turn this time is going to be 120 degrees, so this second exterior angle. And then you can keep walking till you get to this side. Now you're facing this direction, so you're going to need to turn right again, and hopefully you can see you're turning through that third exterior angle, and then you keep walking until you get to the beginning. And here you end up facing the same direction you started. So hopefully you can see that to walk around the outside of this triangular park, you would have turned through all 3 exterior angles. And hopefully you can see that you would have actually done a full 360 turn, because after you've turned, you're facing the same direction you started in. So that means the three exterior angles of this triangle must add up to 360 degrees. If we look at the actual angles that we calculated before, so 140, 100 and 120, if we were to add these together, you'd see that we get 360 degrees. Let's have a look at this five-sided shape here and see if we get the same result. Imagine we want to walk around the outside of a building, for example, okay? So let's say we're facing this direction here. So we'd need to turn right, and hopefully you can see that you're turning through that first exterior angle to do that. Then you can walk to the first corner. Facing this direction, so we need to turn right again, and we are turning through that second exterior angle, and then we can continue to this corner. Facing this direction, so we turn through the third exterior angle to get to this corner, then we turn through the fourth to get to this corner, and then we turn through the fifth exterior angle to get back to the beginning. So again, to walk around the outside of the five-sided shape, we have to turn through all five exterior angles. We also did a 360 degree turn because we're facing the same direction we started in. So that means that these five exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. And this is true for any polygon. The exterior angles do add to 360 degrees. So why is this helpful? Well, if we have a regular polygon, all the sides are the same length and these interior angles are the same size. This also means that our five exterior angles are the same size. I know that they add up to 360 degrees, so I can use this to work out how big one of them is by doing 360 divided by 5. And that is equal to 72. So that means that this exterior angle is 72 degrees, and they are all 72 degrees because they're all the same size. If I didn't know the size of the interior angles, I can now work them out because I know that each interior and exterior angle add up to make 180. So I could just do 180, subtract 72, and that leaves me with 108 degrees. So that means that each of these interior angles is equal to 108 degrees. Great, so that brings us to the end of this lesson on exterior angles. I'd highly recommend you try out some of the questions in my video on angles in polygons so that you can test yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm just at the beginning of my YouTube journey, and so every subscription means a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.